So here's our really good one. So that's that moves way too easy. Actually, you know, I think it might be all right. Let's see. Let's compare it to this side. No. I bet you if I hit that with a hammer, that'll come out of there. Yes. Oh man. Well, I mean, if both sides are like that, maybe that's normal for this one, huh? No, it's not.